Now this is going to be a fairly quick and simple little sailboat. I'm sure you get asked for boats as I do too. We're going to start, I've got two balloons. I've got a white 160 with about a 3-inch tail left on it, and a red 260 also with about a 2.5 to 3-inch tail. We're going to start with the 260. And what we'll do is I'm going to start by making a little pinch twist on the end of it, a little 1/2-inch bobble, make that into a pinch twist. And now we're going to go probably about an 8-inch bubble there. Now I'm going to make a little pinch twist there as well, a small one, so about a 1/2-inch bubble and a pinch twist. Then we're going to lay back alongside that, come back to the back again, and twist into that first pinch twist we made. And then we're going to go down with about a 2-inch bubble, one more pinch twist, and what's left is going to create the remainder of a hole. And what I'll do is I'll bring it up where I've got a little bit sticking out, because as is common on a lot of sailboats, you'll have that little point sticking out on the front. Now I'm going to take that pinch twist and position it in between those two to kind of force them out a little bit and widen them. And we've got the jib sticking out on the front there. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to kind of shape the hull just a little bit to give it a little bit of depth to it there. Now we're going to take our 160, taking the nozzle end here, and twist into this pinch twist at the back here. Now we're going to take and lay it up inside, and you want to go to about halfway, so measure about where halfway in the body is there. Twist the bubble there, and now we're going to make about a 1/2-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist. And what that does is that's going to force our mast to go straight up. Then we're going to go up about 2 inches up, make a pair of small pinch twists. There's the first one, there's the second one, and we're going to go straight up. And you want to look at how much balloon you've got to make sure you've got enough. So I'm going to go up about 8 inches there. Put a little pinch twist on the top to help it hold its shape. Then you want to go out and you make sure you've got enough to come back across there to make your sail. And I won't put a pinch twist on the end of that. I'll just make a big figure 4 there and come back into those double pinch twists I made there on the base. And if you want, you can trim that excess off. A lot of times I'll just tie a knot into it if there's some left over, and then trim that. And there you've got a very quick and simple sailboat. Get that straight. There you go.